Hi guys! Today we're going to show you guys how to make a cable lamp with RJ45 connector. My name is Azki Sorayya, number 11. My name is Erza, Fithri, number 14. Yes, let's get started! First, we can prepare the tools.
Gather the necessary tools, like crimping tools, RJ45 connectors, and cable tester if you want to testing the cable, and UTP cable, wire stripper, or you can use a cutter.
Second, you can strip the cable.
Use the wire stripper to carefully remove about 2 or 3 cm of the outer sheet of the UTP cable, exposing the internal twisted wires. Like this.
The third step is you can arrange the color of the cable.
Untwist the pairs of wires and arrange them according to the required wiring standard. In this video, we use T516HB. It consists orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown and white, and the last is brown. This is the result after we arrange the color of the cable.
The fourth step is cut the wires.
Trim the wires evenly so that they are about 1.5 cm long from the other sheet. But remember, ensure they are all the same length.
And you can insert the wires into the RJ45 connector.
Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector with the clip facing down. Ensure each wire is inserted into the correct slot and reach the end of the connector so that the cable can be connected.
6. You can crimp the cable.
Place the RJ45 connector into the crimping tool and press the tool firmly to secure the wires in place and fix the connector onto the cable. But remember, be careful. Don't press your finger.
Last, test the cable.
If you have a cable tester, use it to check if the connections are correct and the cable is functioning properly.
Finally, the cable lamp can be used, and hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. See you!